guys, welcome to my channel. But before that, I just want to thank my niece for my hairstyle. Charot. No guys, today's video I will gonna show you the common livelihood here in Bicol, and that's what we call banig, in English mattress. Mattress.
Hi guys!
These are the sample guys. There's lot because our neighbors is the one who made this. We are the owner, and then they're the one who made this, and then we will gonna pay them half of the price of this banig guys. Like it costs 50 pesos, and then I will give them 25 pesos and 25 also for us because we are the owners, right? Gusto ko lang malaman nyo guys na kaya ako nag-i-English kasi kaya ako nag-i-English guys kasi yung boyfriend ko nanonood siya ng mga video ko at gusto niya in English para daw maintindihan niya. Pero eto naman ang gusto ko Tagalog kasi parang na-explain ko siya guys na mas maganda at mas klarado. Wow, klarado. Hindi ako guys expert sa paggawa nito. Natuto lang ako kasi yung tita namin gumagawa sila ng banig. So, nung bata ko like grade 4 or mga grade 5 ganon. Nanonood ako habang gumagawa sila. At yun, natuto na din ako. At eto, wala siyang kulay, plain lang kasi gagamitin ni Papa. Yes, guys. Kaya gagawa ako. So, let's start, guys. This is hard, guys. And then, we need to make it soft so that it will be easy for us to work. Yes, guys. Kailangan muna natin itong palambutin. Ganito. Kasi, mas maganda pag malambot. O diba, parang inuulit ko lang. Ganyan. So, sinampulan ko lang kayo guys. Pero yung totoo, malambot na to. Ay! Hindi nga naman ini oh. Pasensya na kayo guys kung pasaway yung mga pamangkin ko. I'm excited to start na guys. But I think I forgot how to do this. But I will do all my best. Marunong pa ako guys. Honestly guys, this is not easy. It's difficult, you know, especially when you're not really expert. Yes guys, but my cousin, my neighbors, they are really good doing this guys. Because us, we grow up, like me and my sister, we grow up and we're not doing like this. The mattress, the banig, we're not making like this guys. So we're not really expert, so we just learned because when we were a kid we kept playing this one and then the banana leaves. That's why we learned how to do this. So I need to wait my sister guys to help me. This what I've done guys, but look, I had a problem guys. It's too short and I don't know how I can fold this, and this one also short, so I need help. I need to wait my sister to help me, and there's lot left and I need to use this. Hi guys, welcome back to me. I start 3 p.m. guys, and it's already 8 p.m. tonight, and look what I'm done guys. It's just the start and I will continue that tomorrow. I need to get some rest because my back was so hurt. Oh my gosh, I need massage. Umaga na guys, kaya simulan na natin ang paggawa ng banig. Tinanggal ko na rin pala yung pagkakakulat sa akin ng pamangkin ko. Kaya ganyan na yung itsura guys. Ang ganda, diba? Wala lang, shortcut.
hindi pa. Grabe ng daplos na ano, naging ng hinang na. Pinarigos, malawag kasi pa. Pinokpok ng tabo. Alam, gadanin na lugudian niya ako. Ako nahirap naman. Mas kita inalawas na pinokpok.
Ay, kabuan talaga.
Grabe naranas na aking ang pungka sa det. Ay, bilunong talaga yan. Ang subang.
Doon na siya, guys. Oh. Ayan. Only one person can sleep here. And instruction. When you sleep here, don't move. And fat person is not allowed. Guys, sobrang happy ako kasi natapos ko rin. Kung dati banana leaves lang yung nilalaro ko, kaya ako natuto. So ngayon, natapos ko na siya, guys. And then, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye!